Hooray! We are over 100 subscribers. Would you believe it? Our community is growing bigger. If you are yet to subscribe, feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Okay, our topic today is how to sketch a linear graph. With this, I say you're welcome to mathematics. The objective of today's lesson is that at the end of this lesson, you will find any point on one or two variable linear equation. 2. Plot any point on a Cartesian plane. 3. Draw a straight line using points or points plotted. Sketch a linear graph. To sketch a linear graph means to show some important points on the line. Please consider the table of steps below in sketching a linear graph. Number 1, the one of two variables, and number 2, the one of one variable. The one of two variables are of two forms. The one of ax plus by equals to c, or ax plus by plus c equals 0. And the second part here, which says ax plus by equals to 0. Consider the second one a special case of this first one, because once we make c equals 0, we have the second one. Now, how do we sketch ax plus by equals to c? We make use of the intercept. The intercept, that is, I mean the x-intercept and the y-intercept. How do we get them? The value of x when y equals 0, this serves as the x-intercept, and the value of y when x is 0, this serves as the y-intercept. For the special case of ax plus by equals 0, but rest assured that 0, 0 is a point. Then to find the other point, make a value for x to get the corresponding value of y. That's making x1, y1. With these 2 points, 0, 0 and x1, y1, we can use it to sketch a linear graph. The second part is the one variable aspect, where we can have x equals to c or y equals to c. For x equals to c, we just, since it's one variable, we locate the point where x equals to c on x-axis, then draw a vertical line parallel to y-axis passing through this point. Almost the same as y equals to c, we locate the point y equals to c on y-axis, then we draw a horizontal line parallel to x-axis passing through this point. In this lesson, we are going to dive through each and every of this form. Now, let's have a step summary, which are ax plus by equals to c, where we make use of an intercept. Then ax plus by equals to 0, that is a special form of ax plus by equals to c. 0, 0 is a point, we find the other point. X equals to c, that automatically means a vertical line. Y equals to c, it means a horizontal line. We start with a question which says sketch the following equation. 1, x equals to 6, and 2 minus 2y equals to 3. So let's write back, let's check our summary steps before we dive into the solution. If it's ax plus by equals to c, we use intercept. If it's ax plus by equals 0, which is a special form of the first one, 0, 0 is a point, surely, then we find the other point. If it's x equals to c, we use a vertical line parallel to the y-axis. If it's y equals to c, we use a horizontal line at y equals to c. parallel to the x-axis. So you can pause this video to give it a trial. And moving forward, and the first part here, x equals to 6, takes the form of the c part here, which is x equals to c, which says that we are drawing a vertical line. So firstly, let's draw our x-axis and our y-axis where they are meeting is the origin. Where can we find x equals to 6? Since x equals to 6 is a positive, it's surely at the right hand part of x-axis, and that's we locate 6 on any part of the line and indicate it. Since this is one variable, we are guaranteed that we are drawing a vertical line that is passing through this point x equals to 6 here, and that makes that marks the end of our sketch of x equals to 6. For the other one, minus 2y equals to 3 takes the form of the d part here, which is y equals to 6, and the meaning is that we are drawing a horizontal line which is parallel to x-axis at y equals to c. But observe something, that y is standing alone, or we can say y is the subject of formula. So the first thing to do here is to let's make y the subject of formula here by saying that minus 2y equals to 3. We divide both sides by minus 2. Then we have 3 over minus 2, which is as good as y equals to minus 1.5. So we can therefore confidently draw our y and x-axis and locate y equals to minus 1.5, which will be down part here, because from 0 down here are negatives of y. So once we locate it, we draw a horizontal line passing through that point, and that marks the end of our sketch. I hope that's quite clear. So we want to say thank you for watching this video, and feel free to share and subscribe with your friends. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when a video is being dropped. Thank you very much.